Well, this is the day after Storm Bram passed, Storm Bram, but he was here too, that's for sure. Look at this. I want to come and have a quick squiz, see if it's exposed or thrown in or whatever it's done. But I'm also going to, just after this, show you, we went down to the beach again yesterday evening, and I'll show you a bit more of the spectacular wave action that we got there yesterday. So yeah, the tide has turned. It's about two hours into the new cycle, rising. So yeah, I want to check here quickly and then walk in that direction. There past the hut is where we had our two latest hunts, which were very successful. So I can't make up my mind which way I should go. I'll just check here quickly. There by the blue, green, whatever that is, and there's the fairy princess. And look at it. These are not small lumps. I should have my electric chainsaw, battery driven, and a trailer. Look, here comes the sun too. Okay, let me pipe up before the tide chases me totally away. I'm just gonna go stick my nose in there, along there, and then I'm going to head in that direction. Okay, next up, some of last night's fun and games. It is mean. The wind has died down a little bit. Little bit. Ooh, yeah. Look at it running on the other side of the wall, all the way along to the middle, to those stairs there. Look at it. It's ginormous, gorgeous, ginormous. Right, we have our first target, and I'm going to get the good lady fairy princess to show you what it is. That's when she's finished eating her crackers on the beach. Oh, you gonna reveal it for me? Oh, I was gonna let you collect it. What is it? Tell me what it is.
Oh, a little ring.
And what color does it look? Am I showing you? Oh yes,
Oh,
okay.
little heart, it's cute.
Little heart. Maybe I'll show you what I'm trying to show you. Foof, there was a blow. Little heart. That color looks like we could be on the real thing.
That's not a heart. What is, it
It's
is
a heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very pretty little thing. I'll give you a rag to clean it with. No, don't move, then I've got to move. There we go. First target on this beach. And I do believe it's been coming down again, as I so often say, after the storms makes it come down. Right, onwards we go. Well, we're 3 coins later, and there's our first bit of bling, apart from the ring. So looks like today could be a few fun hours. Is the silvering coming off of that? There it goes, straight down into the hole. Right so. Okay, I'm going to try and show you this. You see the X? It's just whispering, and it's showing me it's very deep. It's not even registering on the depth there, but it's whispering. So let me try and get at it, because that's what's been happening with a few of the targets. That little ring, also just a little bit of a whisper. Okay, let me get it out and show you. Okay, I've dropped the spade in. You can see how far that's down. That's the length of the spade. I've got it out. The last few scoops. Now you hear how strong it rings. And I think I see something. Or is it my imagination? Yeah, it's a net weight. So there's our bit of lead. But we found gold before lead today. So there you go. Deep. It sniffs them deep. Okay, it is quite big, this, but I mean down a foot and a half. 40 centimeters. Pretty. Love it, yeah. I absolutely love it. So we're getting an assortment, and I need to get there quickly because that dolphin the whole lot away there, and then we'll see further along, because there must be fresh drops as we're seeing. Well, fresh come down. Right, enough waffle. New RNLI choppers, not RNLI, the new Coast Guard choppers. There we go. I wonder where he's going to set himself down. That could be quite a nice photo, that, into the sun. I wonder what they're looking for. Brings back lots and lots of memories, doesn't it? That's for sure. I'm sorry if you're looking into the sun. The chopper's done one. It's been in the hover there ever since I first recorded. It's been in the hover about there, and that looks to me like the RNLI boat, our RNLI boat coming in, and it's gone around to it. I don't think this is an exercise, folk. I don't think so. This would be a Coast Guard operation with the chopper and the RNLI. And I just have to add a note here that the chopper is crewed by civilians. The Air Corps does not do sea rescues. Which to me, I just shake my head every time. I don't know the reasoning behind it all, but there you go. That's the chopper. I'm going to try and keep tabs on it, but I can't stand and record all the time because I am busy with other activities. Okay, when he's so close, I have to record. I really do. I was going to show you something else, so let me do it. This is our second UK pre-decimal coin. The other one was 58 sixpence. That's a ship halfpenny, King George the 6th. So let me dig out the RNLI boat bob there, big time. So let's see if they're going to do a hoisting operation or what they're going to do. Sorry, I'm trying to get my glove off my hand. Let me get the other. I'll show you so far to date. And there you can see the sixpence. There's our coins to date. There's one hiding under there, Irish decimal. I'm zoomed in quite a lot, so if you don't see much, it's because I'm not zoomed properly. I'm zoomed for the chopper. So there they are. Yeah, the RNLI boat is really bouncing. Okay, let me continue, because the good lady Fairy Princess is coming way in the distance. But I found the two UK pre-decimals here and there. Alright, the swimmers are here on the beach. Let's keep checking out. We've often said that solo swimmers, that's when those guys may have to come and work, because this is not wise coming to swim when the weather's like this. Well, not the weather, when the sea state is like this. There you go. I'm trying to show you. Not quite sure what they're at. Let me just put it this way. In days gone by, we would have been in the high-ish hover. We wouldn't be flying at that height because it's so difficult to spot people downstairs, but we would be working with the boats, NSRI in South Africa, when we do sea rescues. Let me scroll out a bit to get you a bit of a relationship too. There's the hut, there's the magic whirly bird, and there in the distance is the Arklow Arena. Looks to me like that shallowish hole held 2 potential targets. That seems more like a brass coin, which it seems to be, yes, and this looks the size, yes, that's an UK pre-decimal penny. What year? Can you see anything that I'm showing you? What year is that? 1936. I think it's the last year of George V, as I call him, the monarch with a moustache. So what's that one? And now let's see if we can find whatever else this was. This was more pesky numbers. I have found a few more peskies, relatively fresh drops. It's in there. Am I showing you anything? It's in there. That looks like a... Oh gosh. Oh, Irish decimal half B? Yes, Irish decimal half B. So 2 in one hole, and the good lady fairy princess is rapidly on her way. So look at the difference in size, those 2 coins. She's rapidly on her way. See the green there? I think she's fleeing those dogs because she forgot to bring her dog stick again. So it's all sort of on this line, 3 to 5 meters away from the wall, which makes a lot of sense, although I have found closer too. But if we're finding pre-decimals, that means it's charred a lot more away and it's bringing it down. There sits a bullfinch upon the tree. Pretty. Yes. Have we just hit silver? Quarter, as Merrill would say. It's a quarter. It's a 1949. Yes, that is silver. I am convinced. I think they went silver. Oh, how long? How far? Let's see if it's got a mint mark. Down there somewhere is the mint mark. He's a very noisy lad. Now I can't see, but I'm convinced 49 is silver. Yes, so we've even got an American decimal, pre-decimal, 1949. Lovely, lovely, lovely. It's not our oldest coin today, but it's a lovely coin to be finding. I wish the good lady will hold her hand still and not rock around in the breeze. And joined with my rocking around in the breeze, it gives you a nice photo. Yes, look at that. Anyway, there you go, 1949. I will confirm, but I do believe that is silver. I do believe 90%. There's a bit of an iron grunt there. 37s, 41s. Black sand numbers, 42s. Could it be a black sand €2 coin? Well, we'll soon know. Anyway. The numbers are jumping all over the place in this. It's about there somewhere. And my cap is trying to blow off. I want to say thank you for joining me. What did we have today? We had all sorts, including silver and gold. Confirmed. Oh, it's a key. There we go. So, to unlock treasure, we have unlocked treasure today, haven't we?
Keep your hand still.
That was quite a treat. And having the fairy princess doing the recording for me is even a bigger treat. And beware behind you, because look what's coming at you. Okay, it's turned around.
A dog.
Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay free, and be happy, happy. Happy like your choice.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications.
Well, there's the wrap-up of the coins. €2, 50, 5, 75. 3 10p decimals, a 5p small, a 2p trolley token, a half p. These are all decimals, and 2 1p's. I put these in date order, not in size order. 1938, 42, 43, and 58. So there is King George V, King George VI, and his daughter, Queen Elizabeth II. Fortunately, we've got no Charlie coins yet. Right, then let's show you the other fun stuff. We'll take those away, because definitely the pre-decimals are fun stuff too. Fun stuff too. So there, the blinger, you saw that. You saw our silver. That is confirmed silver. And confirmed, it seems to me, it is a Philadelphia mint. They don't put mint marks on. And our first target for the day. Look at that. That's a pretty little thing. And the good lady fairy princess is sure that she can see a hallmark in there, 9 carat. So, early Christmas present for the good lady fairy princess. It's a cute little thing, don't you say? Don't you think? There we go, silver and gold, and some bronze and copper bronze, and all sorts of other fun and games. Lovely!